Hello friends, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. And in this video of Python tutorials, we will understand different Python operators. So let's get started. So there is arithmetic operators. So operators are special keywords or characters that we can use to perform certain action. For example, let's say a equals to 10 and b equals to 20. So we can have add functionality using a plus b. Here this plus sign is operator of addition. So let me run this. So Python operator. Oh, I did not save that. Yeah, so 10 plus 20 is 30. You can have subtraction as well by a hyphen b. So hyphen is a sign of subtraction. Let's say multiplication. So a asteroid is a sign for multiplication. Then let's say division. So a by b. So this forward slash is sign of division. Then we have power. For power we can say a asteroid b, that means power. So 10 to the power 20. Then we have modulus division. I'm not sure about the spelling of modulus. Modulus division is defined by percentage sign. Then we have integer division. By word integer, I mean you get rounded value of the division. So let's say 10, 2 forward slash, and then so the variables. Yeah, so these are the few arithmetic operators. Let me run this. So add, subtraction, multiplication, division, then power, modulus, and then integer division as well. You can see, oh sorry, b by b, I'm sorry, a by b. Yeah, so since 20, like 10 by 20 is obviously smaller than 0.5, so it is rounded to 0. So these are the few arithmetic operators you can have in Python programming language. Now let's move to assignment operator. So we have this equals to sign is assignment operator. When we use that and we provide value on the right side of that operator, that value is assigned to the variable, and we can verify that as well, and we know that. Yeah, there is so all these operators, arithmetic operator, can be used in coordination with assignment operator. So for example, let's say for example a plus equals to 10. Now okay, but we cannot do this here. We need to do it here, and we can a plus equals, for example, 10, and we can now print the value of a. So when I run this, yeah, so this equals to, this means a equals to a plus 10. So in that way we can have any arithmetic operator in coordination with assignment operator. So we can have minus equals to 10, we can have multiplication equal to 2, we can have division equals to, let's say, 3. Yeah, so these are few arithmetic operators you can use in coordination with the assignment operator. So these are the assignment operators, and we can print a at every point of time just to make sure that this works. And finally print. So let me run this. Yeah, we can see all the results. Now there is one more type of operator which are commonly used is comparison operator. So comparison operator provides comparison between two variables, and so comparison operator compares two variable from right and left side. So comparison operator compares two value and provide boolean result either true or false based on the condition. So let's say a equals to 10 and b equals to 20. Now we can have like equal to by a double equal to sign b, and let me put f here for formatting these variables. So this is comparison equal to. Then there is greater than, we can have a greater than b. Then there is less than comparison, so a less than b. Then there is greater than or equal to comparison, so we can have greater than or equal to. Then we can have less than or equal to, so it's less than or equal to b. Then we can have less than not equal to, so we'll use exclamation mark, equal to sign, and b. So these are the few comparison operator, and again they provide only boolean return. Let me clear this. So 10 is equal to 20, no. 10 is greater than 20, no. 10 is less than 20, yes. 10 is greater than or equal to 20, no. 10 is less than or equal to 20, yes. 10 is not equal to 20, yes. So these are the operators: arithmetic operator, assignment operator, and comparison operator. I hope this video is informative to you. If you like my work, please consider subscribing to my channel. It helps. Thank you for watching. Peace.